In this video, we'll walk you through how to style your map in Geocodio Maps, so you can customize the colors, icons, and sizes of your markers to better visualize your data. To style your markers, open the Style menu in the top left corner. You'll see three options. Icon, which lets you swap the default circle for pins, stars, and other shapes. Color, where you can pick a preset or enter a custom color code. And Size, which adjusts your markers between small, medium, and large. Here's what basic styling looks like in action. On the left, the default map with simple blue markers. On the right, the same data with custom orange star markers, larger, more distinctive, and easier to spot at a glance. If your spreadsheet includes a column that categorizes your addresses, you can style each category separately. Select the column from the drop-down at the top of the Style menu, for example, Business Type, and you'll be able to set a unique icon, color, and size for each category like Restaurant, Retail, Office, and Contractor. With column-based styling, your map transforms from a sea of identical markers into a color-coded visualization. Each category gets its own distinct look, making it easy to see patterns and clusters in your data at a glance. You can also create pop-ups that appear when you click a marker. Open the Pop-ups menu and type Custom Text, or use the @ symbol followed by a column name to pull in data from your spreadsheet, like @formatted address or @business type. If you have a column with image URLs, you can display those images in the pop-up as well. When you've styled multiple categories, Geocodio Maps automatically adds a legend to the top corner of your map. This shows the color and icon for each category. You can toggle the legend on and off from the Legend menu. That's how you style your map in Geocodio Maps. Customize markers, add pop-ups, and use legends to make your data stand out. Head to Geocodio to get started.